Hello everyone, dear students. Yesterday we discussed our topic that is types of barriers of communication, right? And today I return only the main headings of these types of barriers of communication, right? First heading I mentioned yesterday, that is semantic or language barriers, and second one now that I written in whiteboard. Okay, today I written these all headings in whiteboard. Okay. Types of barriers of communication. Right, so we have already discussed about communication to barriers and their causes, right? And also we discussed about all types of barriers. Yesterday I also written in this form of semantic or language barriers. Okay, now second one, that is organizational barriers. Organizational barriers, right? So in this type of barrier, number one point, that should be complicated organizational structure, right? I explained it also yesterday. Complicated organizational structure. Second one, that is also related to this type of barrier, organizational regulatory policy, right? So what policies, organizational regulatory policies, they are also a type of this barrier. Then organizational facilities, status barriers. Fifth, that is grapevine. Yes, we already discussed about grapevine communication. It is an informal type of communication, right? So grapevine is also in this type of organizational barrier, right? Okay, now third barrier, that is, we can say, emotional or psychological barrier. So emotional or psychological barrier, first point, that is emotional attitude, right? Second one, that is negative attitude. Third one, limited selectivity. Fourth one, quick closure. Fifth, distrust distrust on communication, right? So these are a part of emotional or psychological barriers. Okay, now physical barriers. Physical barriers. In physical barriers, the most important point that is related to this is, I already explained, noise, time and distance. Okay, noise, times and distance, this is a type of these physical barriers. Second, that one is a very important, that is halo effect. I already explained what is halo effect in yesterday video. Then mechanical problems of transmitter. So these are related with physical barriers. Now after that, first type is I already explained yesterday. I written in this whiteboard, that is semantic or language barrier, right student? Now that is organizational barrier, emotional or we can say psychological barriers, and then physical barriers. Sorry for handwriting, but hope you should you can understand. Okay, now fifth barrier, that is we can say personal or interpersonal barriers. Personal or interpersonal barriers. In this type of barrier, first point that is related with our senior that is officers related barriers. Officers related barriers, in this regard, what is their attitude towards us, then fear of these officers, or then lack of time, if they do not give too much time to us, lack of interest, these officers or our officers that are related their barriers, because if the attitude of officer is not positive towards their employees, so how they can work, right? And fear, this is also a part of that way how we can doing work on this organization, right? So these I already explained this type of barriers. Now second one, that is related to this, as like this, lack of mutual confidence. or we can say mutual understanding, right? Lack of mutual confidence or lack of mutual understanding, or we can say problems due to our subordinates, right? So in this type also it is a lack of we can say inspiration, कि our officers or our subordinates are not inspired to create some new work, or does not give some incentive. So these all types of related with personal or interpersonal barriers, right? So they are this type. Now last one, that is right, that is cultural barriers. Cultural barriers. So in this cultural barriers, first one that I explained yesterday, behavior concentrants, right? As like behavior, as like emotional concentrants. Then after that, modern technology, so these types of, because culture provides us different types of cultures, right? And different types of culture, people thought different types of their views, their how they can adopt new technology or not. As a traditional people, they generally cannot accept a new technology, right? So modern technology in this type of culture barriers. So all these we can explain these all barriers in our yesterday. I already discussed these all types of barriers in details, right? And now I written in whiteboard all these types of subheadings in this type of barriers, right? So after this we start our new topic. Okay student, this is finished, this is over. Okay, now whiteboard का काट दो.